Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this 2160p by 1080 4K dash cam that has parking monitoring, G sensor, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte of micro SD card. Alright, so right here we received our 4K UHD dash cam. This one does give a very good clarity to recording. This does come with a seamless loop recording. When the SD card is full, the dash cam will automatically delete the unlocked videos, allowing more videos to be recorded. The G sensor collision detections, which recently installed the collection sudden braking or expecting impacts. The G sensor initialized the automatic emergency recording, so if you're in any accident, it will automatically detect that and it'll start recording and lock that one. It does have a parking surveillance. These 4K dash cams, it keeps an eye on your vehicle, so if you're not around, it will automatically record. So inside the box right here, we have some instructions for charging, for memory cards, connecting it, about the parking mode, how to transfer videos to Mac or PCs. So this one here is equipped with a WDR advanced sensor and an f1.8 large aperture. This dash cam will present bright and clear videos, so when you want to look at the license plate, it is very clear. The 3-inch IPS advanced screen, which allows you to operate and control the dash cam a lot easier. It also can monitor the replay moments at any time and anywhere. So this dash cam does come with a 32 gigabyte of micro SD card. It will automatically start and loop recording when the car is on or off. The loop recording function automatically overwrites past unlocked videos to free up more space for new videos. So right here you do get the car charger. So it has to be plugged in order for it to work. So this one here goes into your lighter port. This is the little key to remove the SD card, which is already installed into the dash cam. And then you get the little suction cup for your window. Right here is the bottom part of the suction cup, and then that is the top where you will connect the dash cam. And then you get a little tool to pry the sides of your car in order to hide the charging cable. And then you get a Type-C charging cable, so you can charge it whether it's in or outside your vehicle. So this 4K camera is fully equipped to save you with no worry, especially living in Arizona. There is a lot of accidents, and it is a nice thing to have a dash cam. So if you have to show any emergency vehicles, any footage, you can just grab it from here. This is the charging port. Right there, there's the Type-C charging port. And then on the side, you've got your power button. You've got your up and down buttons, so you can change the menus through the settings. And we're going to go ahead and go into the camera and change that. So this is a 4K UHD resolution. It has night vision, WDR, parking monitoring, G sensing, loop recording, f1.8 large aperture. It's got 170-degree wide angle. It's got a screensaver, and it supports up to 32 up to 250 gigabyte of SD card. So right here is the settings. You can change the language. So you need to use the buttons on the side. It is not a touchscreen, so you just change it right here on this side. So we're going to click on English and then click on that button, and then you can set the date and time. So I'm just going to forward this one just to go bypass it just for demonstration purposes. So we're just going to set the time and date. So we already set the time and date. Now we're just going to wait for it to set that settings up. Now it's asking to format the disk, so we're formatting the SD card. So you can see this is what it looks like when it's recording. So when you move it or anything, it automatically goes into emergency mode. So now it's getting a little video. So we're going to go into the settings, and then we're going to play the video. So you click on this to go into the settings. We're going to go back to emergency, play and record. So right here there is a locked video. So I'm just going to play that so you guys can see the quality. So now you can see that I recorded. It's very nice and clear. It's definitely a 4K quality. You can see the lettering is really crisp and clear. This 4K dash cam is a super nice dash cam. It does 4Ks at 30 frames per second at 1080p. The 30 frames per second is an Ultra HD smooth video built with the high demanding pixels and forms at 4K. It's creating a crisp and smooth and movie-like visual effects. So this one here does lock the video in place. You can see that this one is unlocked. So when you want to unlock it, you got to hold down the menu button and then it'll give you a choice to unlock it. So there is the menu button. You hold it down and it'll say you can delete the content, you can unlock the video. So you would want to unlock the video before you actually remove it. And the great thing about this, it does have seamless loop recording. So what that means, it will record over older videos that is not in the locked position. So the videos that are locked, especially in the emergency situation, like if you get in an accident and it locks that video, so if you may need to send that to the police, it'll lock it in place. Other videos it will record over, so it'll loop over and over again, but these ones right here are locked, so it will not rewrite those ones. As long as they're locked, they won't be rewritten. So if you're looking for a nice 4K dash cam, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. You do get everything that you see here, and it also includes a 32 gigabyte of micro SD card just to start off with using this dash cam.